Today, we talk about...
Whoop! All right. One more, actually two more. Second to last one, I think. Right? Yeah. See what we got. Ooh, yeah, buddy. Okay. Now, I'm excited for these. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. Q, if y'all can guess which one this is. Yeah, it's kind of corny. Let's just open it up. StockX, thank you. I didn't get my pair for free like, oh, it's Teddy, but, oh boy, bruh. Look at these. The Billionaire Boys Club, Japanese exclusive. This pink and navy combo with the white trim and, oh God, bruh. Bruh. Billionaire Boys Club. YMCMB. StockX tag, so you know it's legit. Am I right? Am I right? Yeah, bro, these are just, ooh, should I do pink laces? Would that be better? Actually, I'm really leaning towards the white because they just bop a little bit better. Ooh, plus you get the little reference colors to the other less limited colorway, but dude, there's no way this is not the best colorway of the shoe. I'm tempted to wear these out today, but I don't want to ruin them. But oh my God, these are insane. I love these. Oh, I mean, I'm just looking at the weave. Look at that knit pattern. That is amazing. That is amazing. Ah. Okay. For those that don't know, maybe I'll just do separate videos on each of these individually. Or maybe I won't. You know, there's too many shoes to go through. But yeah, just the reference to Billionaire Boys Club as these were a Billionaire Boys Club exclusive release, I believe, in Japan. I don't know how many pairs. Who cares? Wow, that navy cage though, my lord. Just when you think Pharrell's done making these, he's ain't. Does that say Adidas on there? No. So now I have the OGs with the flat bottoms, the TR version from the Holy Pack, and then now the whatever outsole this is. So they're technically three different silhouettes, technically. And I guess they're just showing the evolution of this line. Plus, don't forget, you get the chakra point-ish inside there with the human body, whatever that is. Ooh, black inner lining. I like that. I like that. The other shoe with the Adidas branding instead and the gold trim. But yeah, this is just oh, that stitching. Ooh-wee. I love the pink into the navy. That's the pink navy combo is just like. This is a very, I'm just realizing now this is a very underutilized colorway for sure. This should be done more often. Yeah, I just, whew, being blown away right now. I'm trying to imagine the pink in there. Yeah, the pink is not gonna work, I don't think. I'm sticking with the white. Don't at me. This is supposed to be part of the heart and mind pack, I guess, but that reference is kind of lost on me, but I think that's what these symbols stand for. If they shall.
Bye.